Hey everyone, imagine this, you're driving smoothly, and suddenly your car refuses to shift gears or even move properly. You check your scanner and it shows P0880 Transmission Control Module TCM Power Input Signal issue. This means your car's TCM isn't receiving proper power, which can completely disable your transmission. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you where the related components are located, the common causes, and how to fix this problem step by step. Let's get started. What is DTC P0880? DTC P0880 means that the Transmission Control Module TCM is not receiving proper voltage from the power input circuit. Since the TCM controls gear shifting, torque converter engagement, and transmission operation, a power issue can lead to complete transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0880. If your car has this code, you may experience stuck in limp mode, only second or third gear works. No response from the transmission, delayed or harsh shifting, check engine light on, transmission warning light on. Sensor and component location. Very important. Transmission Control Module TCM location. In most vehicles, the TCM is located near the engine bay, close to the battery or fuse box. Some models have it inside the transmission housing, requiring removal of the transmission pan for access. TCM Power Relay, main relay for transmission location. Found in the fuse box, typically under the hood near the battery. Some cars have it inside the cabin fuse panel. Wiring and power circuits location. Wires run from the battery to the fuse box, then to the TCM and transmission solenoids. Look for damaged or corroded wires along these connections. Check your vehicle's repair manual for exact details. What causes P0880? Here are the most common causes. Faulty TCM power relay, stuck or damaged relay, blown fuse in the transmission power circuit, damaged or corroded wiring to the TCM, bad ground connection for the TCM, faulty transmission control module TCM itself. How to fix P0880. Step 1. Check the TCM power relay. Swap it with a similar relay to test if it's working. Step 2. Inspect all transmission-related fuses. If blown, replace them. Step 3. Check for damaged wiring. Look for corrosion, broken wires, or loose connectors leading to the TCM. Step 4. Test battery voltage and grounds. Ensure proper power is reaching the TCM. Step 5. If the relay, fuses, and wiring are fine, consider replacing the TCM. Step 6. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and take a test drive. Final words. Ignoring P0880 can lead to total transmission failure, leaving you stranded. If your car is stuck in limp mode, check the relay, fuses, and wiring ASAP. For more OBD2 error codes and easy fixes, check out these videos next. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.